Want to know how to go from being a side hustle welder to running your own custom fab and mobile welding gig full-time? Alright, so here's the deal. Start by making connections in your local area, doing side jobs for friends, family, or small businesses. Word of mouth is everything, so focus on building a solid reputation by doing quality work every single time. If you're still at a full-time job, watch for the moment when your side work starts eating into your regular hours. That's your green light to think about going solo. Next up, get fully equipped with the right tools. A good bandsaw like an Ellis or Jet is clutch, plus a reliable welding machine for your truck if you want to do mobile jobs. Find a niche in your area, whether it's custom smokers, handrails, gates, or something else, and charge rates that make sense for the local market. Remember, what works in Denver with higher prices might not fly in somewhere like Southeast Ohio. Finally, don't rush. Build slowly, keep quality high, and always be ready to adapt to what your customers want. One of the biggest mistakes welders make when trying to go full-time is not having the right gear set up before quitting their day job. Without proper tools, you won't be able to deliver quality work consistently, so invest upfront in a solid setup. Another common issue is overcharging or undercharging. Knowing your local market's pricing for custom welding and mobile services is key to staying competitive and profitable. Lastly, many welders skip networking and marketing efforts thinking good work speaks for itself, but without spreading the word or having a niche, you'll struggle to get enough consistent jobs. Fix this by joining local trade groups, using social media, and asking happy customers for referrals. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff without the headache of endless searching. It also gives welders and other pros a way to showcase their skills and get steady work from people in their area looking for custom projects or repairs.